What's going on, y'all? Second weekend in a row we got. I don't know if I can see it or not. It's gonna hurt. It's very light snow. We got some snow. Got the beanie, the toboggan, whatever y'all call it. It's snowing out here again, y'all. It's pretty cool. Somewhat I'm gonna document this weekend again. And yeah, the comments. Got some snow right there. It's landing on my arm. Yeah, it's snowing again, so hopefully we get a lot, and I'll video it and post it later. So yeah, let's do this, y'all. Enjoy. Let's go potty. Put your jacket on. Alright, y'all, before I head inside, because my hands are cold, I like wear my jacket. Little snow update. Still coming out. I'll give you more updates as it comes out. There you go. You've seen the camera. I'll give you more updates as it comes along. Snowing out there. That's all the snow from last week, too. That's the funny part. It's actually sticking, too.
Oh, Chef.
Yes, Chad?
Oh, my dad doesn't need you anymore. He's there all by himself.
And you're not in the first place. It's snowing out there. Yeah. Look at all that. Like how it looks. It's hard to see on the camera, but it's snow. It is snow out here, y'all. It's starting to accumulate really well. So we put our hoodie with a shirt, a long sleeve shirt actually. We got like 3 layers on. We're just gonna come out here and enjoy the snow for a little bit. You like that idea? We're gonna do that idea. Oh Lord, it's cold. Ooh. Yeah, snow, y'all. Let's go. Go here. Start the car. Put on some Georgia Boys while we do it. Let's get these windshield wipers up first. I'm gonna put this in the car real quickly, but let's get these windshield wipers up. It's been a while since I've done on this car, so let's get it done now. So we'll put that right there. Do it. It's been a while since I ain't never done on this car before. Let's get it going. Break. Do this real quick. So yeah, y'all. I never got those windshield wipers up. I just couldn't figure it out. So yeah, they stayed down the entire time. Alright, it's now a lot more. We can go check something out here in the woods real quickly. Yeah, look at this. It's actually like snow this time. It's a lot of snow too. Let's go. This is all ice from the last winter storm we had. Alright, I see y'all down there. We're in the woods. It's very, very snowy here. Oh, no shit, Joseph. It's gonna be very snowy. It's snowing. There's a blue thing down here. We're gonna figure out what it is. Just made that video a couple years ago when I came back. Tried to game after for the woods. There it is. See, it's like right. That blue thing. I think it's just a plastic bag. We'll get this trash out of the woods anyway, even if it is just a plastic bag. I ain't been down this way in a long time, man. more often. I think it's actually a fucking rat. Shit. I'm stuck. Stuck. What the fuck is it? I'll see that. I don't know what it is. Just like stuck in there. Alright, I'm working this out. Looking nice. Also, we got the bag. It was really sticking over some ice. Snow. You know, we had to make us a nice cup of hot chocolate. Taste. That was good. So we'll peek outside. Try to see this. It's still coming down out there. It's hard to see. Alright. That's cool. There's a bird on the windowsill.
I'm just gonna leave him be. Don't get too close to him, Hannah. He's probably barely making it right there. Joe, so I put extra hot chocolate in your room.
Thank you.
Yeah!
How you doing, Beepa? Hey, help me do that, Beepa. So my mom made sister hot chocolate, and I got some extra. So yummy. It's not that it's It's gotten good. Wow. Terrible idea. That's the best. That's what we got right there. Slipper right there. Y'all know we gotta do it. It's a tradition. Yeah. There we go. Snow. It's snowing out here, y'all. See if I can tell them. The memories come back every time I ride back through that old. Welcome back late. Snow update. You can't even see nothing anymore. It's all combined into one. Heck yeah. Sounds so beautiful out here. The memories come back every time I ride back through that old town. Used to ride around. Amen. Alright, I'll see y'all in a little bit. I'll give you all an update when it's a little colder. Take a look at the phone. I don't know if I can see it, but it's deep. It is about. Oh, there is a good inch of snow right there. I see. Yeah, y'all, snow. It's snowing. A lot of snow logs recently. Yeah, those things you go. You don't let us how to see. There you go. Look, you see my footprint. It's deep. Alright. Cool. Let's go look at the bike window. It's a little bit off, sorry. You kind of see the sightings out there. So, yeah, you can see the sightings out there. Snow. Alright, Omar, what do you think of the snow? What do you think of the snow? It's the backyard. Oh, they got so much snow, man. Oh, we got like 3 inches of snow. At least. That's the front yard, chat. Our front yard is fresh looking. Like it is so snowy out there that I can't tell what is my driveway and what is the front lawn. Catch you on the next one. Or I'll see you tomorrow. Look at them things. Them things is big. There's a fourth one behind that tree. Right there. He says about like 9 in the morning. Saw the snow. About like 5 inches maybe, you think? There's a lot of snow though. We'll get a better view in a little bit. Come on, y'all. Let's do this. Oh, my hair is messed up.
Dress back up.
Snow. Yeah, look at our railing, Mom. That's a help.
Top of the bird feeder. The yellow one.
Damn! I tell you now, that's a healthy amount of snow. That's not even all snow we got. It took it a while to start covering up. But it is a healthy amount of snow we got there. I'm liking it. That's pretty good. A lot of snow.
How about maybe you try?
You got egg on your head there, Peepa. Crazy dog. Can you get in?
No, he's pushing this. I'll push it, baby.
Here's a video of me attempting to sled, but failing.
When you let your sugar addicted mom make your.
Yes, I'm never letting you make my hot chocolate again. Where's the chocolate? It's just a couple of marshmallows at this point.
Mommy.
Hello. Hello, beepy. Hello, beepy. Hello, beepy.
Hey, who's gonna get you again?
Hello, beepy. You look stupid. Hello, beepy.
Stop it. She didn't
Hello,
like it. She get
beepy.
down. You mind your business. Because you do things you.
Hello,
If you
beepy.
use your sleeve for your nose one more time.
Snow is starting to melt. Now the next day. We played a lot yesterday in the snow, and then I lost my phone in the snow, so I didn't really get to record too much after that. We didn't really do a whole lot yesterday after just kind of played outside. I got some, Mom has some videos and photos you'll probably see, you'll see on this video. But yeah, we got some cool footage, a lot of cool footage, a lot of snow. I'm gonna redo the car thing real quickly because it really doesn't fit in there. The box is out. Shut the box. I need to redo something in the car. I realize it today, but I put this in here backwards. Oh, that's why it's so goddamn hot in here. It's hot in here. Kind of feels good. We ain't gonna start today, but we gonna do this. There we go. There we go. Car. Got the windshield. I had to switch around because this goes on the outside, but it was on the outside. Oh man. Let's go in the woods. Let's go explore the woods a little bit. Because this is kind of a yearly thing we do when it snows. Get some cool photos and stuff. And make a couple videos for the gram. Let's see. If you look, there's like some little footprints right there. Deer kind of snow. It's like a nice, almost like a snowball snow. It's like perfect little brand snow right here. So yesterday is when it snowed. Just kind of here today to kind of explore. Wow, look at that nice piece. Still pretty deep, even after a lot of melting. Looks like we have some deer kind of tracks in here. We're gonna get some snow on the pants, but that's alright. Yeah, we're gonna do this. I don't really usually do this, but I'm gonna put the pants inside the boots this time. And keep them warm and all that stuff. Not keep them warm, but keep them dry. Keep all the snow off them because I don't want to have to worry about changing out pants again. It's gonna be mildly uncomfortable. That's alright. Something I hate doing, but I just don't want to get snow on the pants. Because, well, I gotta make sure I got some for school tomorrow, assuming we're going to school. It'll probably be at least on a 2-hour delay or something. This is a lot of snow. Don't have a good thumbnail. I gotta get a good thumbnail. I mean, it's still pretty deep here. I was by my house. Let's go down here. It's very beautiful down here. Georgia boys are good as gold. Came down here yesterday. That's where I came to get that bag at. Dang it, look how deep it is here. It's deep. You see how high? It's pretty deep. Nice fluffy snow here. That's what this is. Love how it's like a pattern. So yeah, some animal coming down here. Should go ass over head over heels over here. Cause I can. I will probably. Deer stand over here we'll look at. Yeah, if y'all had some snow, let me know in the comments how much y'all got. I want to know. You can get about a good 5 inches maybe, if not a little bit more. About 3 to 5, I say. This is snow. I like that. That's cool. Should have shown you my bucket man. Maybe I'll make another bucket man here today. Here's the deer stand. This is a couple videos. Y'all seen. It's actually where I put the camera at that one time. Ooh, it has some deep snow. Y'all's boys are good as gold. There's the car up there. Core. See what I can next one is. Snow off the boots. Come on. Damn. Snow definitely makes a difference. Look at the paint on that boot. Can I pick this piece up? I think I can't. It's just a little crack right there. Whoa. Smiley face. One in a pocket right now. Look, some beautiful snow right here, y'all. I love it. Come up and then we ride and hide. Damn! Just slipped right there. I feel like William Afton coming out of the front of the pizzeria there. And this over here got touched at all. I think it's this where I played. Sledded. There's still ice. A lot of snow up here. Sled. So we all sledded. Stay down here. That's where my phone was at, right there. That's where one went missing to. It's right there. Yeah, I think I went on a snow trip and I didn't know. Somewhere down here is where I went head over heels. Get it right here. No. Yeah, it is. This is where I think I went head over heels. Yeah. Look at this. Look, perfect snowball. Ho 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 ho. Look how perfect it is. Nice. Air conditioner. Sled. Or it's actually a concrete mixer. A lot of nails now. Perfect goes up my boot. This is where the Bucketman once lived. We're Bucketman. There's like a whole clump of pieces now. Alright. I'll see you in a bit. Let's just go for it. We filmed videos here a long time. Nice. I didn't realize that the things changed from driveway to non-driveway. That's where the deer were last night. Like you can see, deer track. Where all of them were the other night. You know, we can see really. Cool. My sister's trying on hats. Which hat's that one here? It's a unicorn hat.
I know most of these, but not a huge fry
Can you
guy.
show my
Potato guy.
photo?
I prefer the sweet ones.
Yep.
I guess that is a fat person thing. Alright,
Show it.
real quick.
Wow.
After the oven we go.
And but we got it. Whoa.
Get our chicken on the grill. Fucking
All right,
damn, two sponsors.
it's been thrown. What are you looking for? The air ball is in the hallway. I can see it from here. It's a little pink thing. Beautiful sunset, y'all. Beautiful sunset. Looking nice. Hey y'all, thanks for watching this video, and yeah, hope y'all enjoyed, and I will see y'all in the next one. Peace. Also, just a heads up, this came out a lot later after I had already filmed it, so yeah, see y'all next time. Bye.